Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah.
Yes, hello, lovely people. New day, hot day. So what we do when it's so hot? Round out all day. Everything is so hot. Hot inside the house. But we will take a trip up at the mountain. Maybe a little windy there.
Everybody gon' die someday. Did you waste my time knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave.
Bangat yung boy. Are you ready to go in the jungle?
Yeah, jungle trip. Hey kids.
Go on. Look up this my love. Asa nga ka mo nina? Ha? Ano ka mo? Ano na ba? Hi, puyin sa kanya.
Hi.
Ha? Sino? Ilo? Ilo mo?
Really nice place. Ah.
Hey.
Yeah. It's getting dark. Huh?
Yes. Later have the ghost is coming out.
Oh, is it ghost there?
Hindi kami nakapag kuha ng yung boy.
But I didn't see the big cow. Only saw the one. Good. No, you can eat. I can watch. I can watch. But it's a really nice place up here.
Yeah.
But sad we cannot see the sun going down. It's on the other side of the
The other
island.
side.
Is it on that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
A cow. That's the cow and ikaw.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ikaw.
Ooh.
Do you understand what is ikaw?
No.
Ikaw is you.
It's
That's the cow and ikaw.
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 In Tagalog, ikaw?
Yeah, ikaw.
Okay.
It's you.
Yeah. New words every day.
The cow And ikaw.
Banton. Yes.
You took a bite out, baby, in the middle.
It's so good to be here.
I do believe that you came up rough.
Quiet place,
I thought I was only trying to be gentle.
not the best road, but still
Said I should leave for the sun coming.
first good and hello.
You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Trying to reach out, I get nothing coming. Missing your touch, but do you miss mine?
So much falling
Then when
in.
you called, I'm excited for nothing. Said that you would if you just had the time. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Can I melt it down somehow? Is there any time to find? Said I should leave for the sun coming. You got a hot, red hot now, babe. 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 You got a hot, red hot, yeah. You got a hot, red hot, yeah. You got a hot, red hot, yeah. You took a bite out, baby, in the middle. I do believe that you came up rough. I thought I was only trying to be gentle. Said I should leave for the sun coming. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Trying to reach out, I get nothing coming. Missing your touch, but do you miss mine? Then when you called, I'm excited for nothing. Said that you would if you just had the time.
Yes, you're at the pier now. Banton the Rock.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I needed to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Not what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the rooms. What you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe.